Storms certainly made for a rocky reopening for many local businesses as North Carolina entered phase 2. But some people were still so eager to head out and eat inside of a restaurant. So what was it like on night 1?
Our Joe Bruno went to a few restaurants to see how the reopening went.
The kitchen in Bonterra is heating up, but unlike weeks past, the food is staying in-house.
It feels great to be back open and everything's going great. We're anticipating this day for a long time.
The popular Dilworth restaurant removed spots at the bar, spaced out tables, and blocked a few off. It's not the Friday dinner service of the past, but will do for now. Owner John Duncan says Bonterra is no stranger to hard times.
What's tough is we're celebrating our 20th anniversary. We've been here 20 years and we survived 9/11 and then we survived the recession of 08 and 09 and now we're doing it again. So, we're hard-headed and we'll hang in there.
A tornado warning and heavy rain isn't an ideal start to phase 2, but as the night went on, more and more people were spotted out and about, including these 4 in South End.
We know that people need to open because of businesses, but at the same time, we also need to be safe.
They like the fact that outdoor dining is now permitted and are cool with it as long as places aren't too crowded. For now, they say they are going to hold off on eating inside.
Right now, we want to kind of see how that works and see if if that curve does flatten before we kind of move into saying, okay, yeah, we're going to go full blown into, sitting down and dining in the restaurants.
It's the first night businesses can reopen, but that doesn't mean they all are. Some, like Freshwaters in Uptown, are choosing to wait until phase 3.
A lot of people are still afraid to come out, and I don't want to feel pressured when they come in, with your mask and put your, it's just like too many rules and regulations that that has to be set, for that right now, and I just don't want to get anybody sick or, have any problems with that.
It's not a decision Freshwaters is making lightly. They haven't gotten any relief money or federal help. They're hoping people will continue to get takeout and return when the state is in a better position.
We want our customers to be safe, and we want to try to take our time, and see what happens and, just do the takeouts for now.
Also spoke to the Mecklenburg County Health Director, Gibby Harris, and asked how she feels about restaurants reopening. Listen to this.
Gibby, it's Joe Bruno. Do you feel comfortable eating inside a restaurant right now?
That's a good question. I don't have any plans to visit a restaurant this weekend.
Why is that?
I am comfortable grilling at home for the holiday weekend.
And she did later say that she doesn't have any apprehension about it. Joe also asked Governor Cooper the same question, and he said that he would be comfortable.
Well, some brewery and bar owners told Channel 9 that they are upset they can't open under phase 2, but others can. Yesterday, the governor clarified the differences. Now, it all comes down to whether the sole service at a business is selling alcohol. If it is, they can't open. That's why a bar that does not sell food can't open. But bars that have a kitchen are more balanced, making them more like a restaurant, so they can open. They just have to keep their bar area closed. Breweries and wineries follow that same rule, but have more requirements they have to meet. That includes whether they also sell their drinks away from their business. So if you can find a brewery's beer in the grocery store, odds are that they can open.
President Trump is calling on all churches to reopen this weekend, and he called a last-minute news conference at the White House yesterday to share this message.
Today I'm identifying houses of worship, churches, synagogue, and mosques as essential places that provide essential services. Some governors have deemed liquor stores and abortion clinics as essential, but have left out churches and other houses of worship. It's not right. So I'm correcting this injustice and calling houses of worship essential.
The president called on governors across the country to allow churches to open, and he said that he would override them if they didn't. And he also ordered the CDC to publish the guidance his administration previously shelved on how churches can safely reopen.
I think this is something that we can all agree on. We cannot say thank you enough to the healthcare workers putting their lives on the line to save others during the pandemic. And of course, this includes doctors, nurses, hospital workers, EMS, medic, and nursing home employees. Well, last night, Channel 9 was proud to partner with the Bandit flight team to salute them all with a flyover. And our crews captured it from all across the area.
There they are in formation.
We all come in here every day to serve the community, and to have that type of response back from the community, we're honored to have it.
Releasing that smoke, honoring those frontline workers.
To let those healthcare workers on the ground who are looking up to the skies know we appreciate you. A special one for healthcare workers across Mecklenburg County.
It's really exciting out here. That was really special to see.
And this is a fitting tribute.